everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and I am still fighting this cold, guys. It goes from up here to down through here, whatever. Today's video is another edition of Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? What we're testing out, trying out, and creating this look right here is the brand new CColor Cosmetics Cherry palette. It looks like this. I made sure to take the brush out, guys, but it looks like this right here, and it is supposed to be a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. Before we get into it, guys, I'm going to make it quick. I'm going to make it simple. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. I have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. All information of what's on my face will be linked and listed down below for you guys, as well as how you can pick this up if in fact this is a dupe. Don't forget, pause the video, take a wild guess. I don't know if my camera will focus or not. What side do you think is the dupe side? What side is the high-end side? Leave me a comment down below. Let your girl know. Come back after you've watched the video and let me know whether or not you were right or not, friends. Okay, long video because, you know, I ramble, I repeat, and I forget what I say. Anyways, let's go ahead and find out whether or not this $9.45 palette is a dupe for this high-end $49 palette. Hey guys, so getting right into the swatches. On the bottom is all of the CColor Cosmetics Cherry shadows. And on top is, of course, all of the Urban Decay Naked Cherry shadows. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to get really close to my camera. I'm filming with my vlog camera because most days it likes to autofocus perfectly for me. But can you guys see there is a little bit of color differences? And when I say on the bottom, I mean this is the CColor Cosmetics. On top would be the Naked Cherry by Urban Decay. So you can see some of the matte shades are a little off. Some of the shimmer shades are even off just a smidge. But of course, you guys know we're going to put this bad boy to the test. We are going to see if you guys can tell the difference when these are applied to the eyes. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about each palette, and then we'll get into the application process. Okay guys, so I am a little behind on getting this video up for you guys because you guys know I have been under the weather. I didn't make it to my P.O. box, and huge thank you and shout out to CColor Cosmetics because they did send this to me. As you guys know, I love to find you guys affordable dupes, but that doesn't necessarily mean just because it was sent to me for free that it's a guarantee, you know, because obviously we're going to put this bad boy to the test. I'm going to be honest, this is a first impression. I've only been able to swatch these colors. I will tell you that this palette is $10.50 on their website. However, you can save 10% and get it for like $9.45 if you use my code HOTMESS10. Now, here's the thing, guys. You can get free shipping for anything over $9.99 on their website. So I did want to recommend something to you guys, and that is the CColor Cosmetics Pore Filler Primer. You guys, if you have large pores in this general region, pretty much your T-zone, you will love this. It's $5, and again, you can get 10% off with it. So getting these two items together would get you the free shipping. So just something to think about. I didn't want you guys to think you were like kind of stuck. I will tell you guys, a lot of you guys have said that, and even Haley has said she has found some of the CColor Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes at Burlington. What I want to say there, I kind of touched on it in my reference video with CColor Cosmetics. It's kind of one of those things where you purchase at your own risk. A lot of people came out and said when the whole Jeffree Star thing went down that they used to work at Burlington and they found that it wasn't the most sanitary because these are not actually like 100% sealed in a packaging or anything. It's kind of like if you go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's or anything, people can just open it right up, blah, 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 blah. So just wanted to let you guys know, if you do go directly to their website, you can use that 10% off coupon code. That is the only place the coupon code does work. So I'll leave their website either listed down here somewhere or in my description box for you guys. But close up of what the palette looks like. And it's very nice. It's in the tin can, and I'm very interested to play in this one because you guys know that I felt like with a lot of their other tin can type of eyeshadow palettes, I felt like there was a difference in formula. You guys noticed it too. You guys know I keep it honest, keep it real with you guys. I did feel like compared to some of their other palettes that they have, that there was a little bit of a difference in formula. So I'm excited to see if it's the same. This is what the inside looks like. You do get a mirror. You do get all of the shadows. I can't talk. You actually get a brush too. It's kind of very similar to the Urban Decay brush. It's a dual-ended, double-ended, but I don't like the Urban Decay brush. I'm one of those people that I'm very much stuck in my ways with everything. I'm hoping I'm in focus, guys. I can't tell because of the distance. My whole Boxycharm video was completely out of focus. I'm gonna be so sad if this is not in focus. Anyways, let me do a side-by-side. As you guys know, that the Urban Decay does come with a brush as well. Like I said, not a fan of either one, but this is what they look like together. So right off the bat, they are set up pretty similar, but I will tell you guys can see, looking at the Urban Decay one on the bottom here, it does look to be more of a pinky undertone, where I feel like the CColor Cosmetics one is more of like a peachy, warm-esque kind of undertone, if that makes sense. So anyways, like I said though, this is after my 10% off discount code that you guys can use, Hotmess10. You guys will get this for $9.45 versus the Urban Decay one, which is $49. That's expensive. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, zoom you guys in. If you are new to Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money, what I do is I do use the exact same brushes. However, I do clean my brushes off in between using one of these JCat Beauty doohickeys and a washcloth. So I'm gonna go ahead, zoom you guys in. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, hopefully I am 100% in focus, guys. I'm gonna go ahead, we will do this side being the Naked Cherry Urban Decay palette. The ring side is going to be the CColor Cosmetics side. I'm probably gonna more or less fast forward through this for you guys, but I'm just giving you the heads up. This side's going to be the dupe side. This is going to be the high-end side. So let's go ahead, friends, and get right into this. Honestly, guys, like at this point in time, I feel like the CColor Cosmetics side is actually more vibrant, which really surprises me. That is not something that I was expecting. As far as I thought, with the pink undertones of the Urban Decay being more noticeable, especially in the swatches, I did not think that this side, the dupe side, was going to be as pinky toned and vibrant. And I made sure to pull colors that were off on the swatches. So let's continue on with this. This is getting juicy. Wow. Do you guys notice? I'm having a really hard time getting this to show up, the Urban Decay side to show up. It's the Bang Bang color. Let's do my fingers, see if I can get it. There we go. Wow. Now on the CColor Cosmetics side, I was actually able to get the shimmer on with just my Alamar brush. So I didn't have to use my finger for the CColor Cosmetics side. Okay, so I'm going to hop off. I'm going to do my liner and my mascara, and I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner and my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see the final look. Okay guys, we are zoomed in, and of course, this is the CColor Cosmetics side. This is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry side. What do y'all think? Hopefully I'm in focus because your girl can't tell and she's right up here. I'm rambling. So what do you guys think? Pretty pleased. So, you guys, here are my actual thoughts. Of course, I'm going to put a side-by-side in, like an end of the day type of dealio for you guys, so I don't extend this video out any longer. But I am actually blown away. I am blown away because, like I said in the swatches of the Urban Decay one, I felt like the Urban Decay one swatched like very more so pink undertone, where the CColor Cosmetics Cherry one was more of like a warmer peachy type of undertone or something. It just wasn't that berry that I was expecting. So to see it on the eyes and everything, and like I said, I purposely used the shades that swatched differently as far as the undertone went in my eyes. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense, guys, but yeah, as far as the colors that I chose and everything, it really made me, you know, think, oh, there's going to be a noticeable difference, and I don't see that noticeable difference. I feel like the CColor Cosmetics side overall just came out to be a bit more sharper, and you know, not, it's almost like a little bit more vibrant, where I feel like the Urban Decay side is a bit more muted, if that makes sense. I think that for a $9.45 palette, you guys, this is amazing. And one thing that I definitely wanted to touch on is I have the whole stack of every one of their other tin can type of eyeshadow palettes. This one is my favorite. You guys saw that in that reference video that I did, where I showed you guys every single CColor Cosmetic palette that I have, that I kind of said that the tin can ones, I just felt like the formula was completely different, and I wasn't necessarily like a huge fan of them like I am with like the regular cardboard type of packaging. But I will tell you guys, this by far, minus the strobe one, because this isn't an eyeshadow palette, this is like a highlighting palette. I love this highlighter palette. I think it's amazing. Again, by CColor Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. I mean, you guys can see I tear this thing up. I love it so much. But as far as all of their other like tin can type of packaging products, I love this one. This one is absolutely my favorite. The only thing I don't like is the mirror in here. If you are trying to use this mirror because you're traveling and trying to get ready, it made me car sick. It is one of those like cheapy mirrors. There is a scent to this. It does have that cherry scent to it. I don't know, I can't honestly remember. I thought that the Urban Decay Naked Cherry one did, but I no longer smell it. Again, I'm sick. It's like the cold that never goes away. What this scent reminds me of, if you guys did pick up, and I actually have it somewhere, I did pick up the Urban Decay Cherry Scented Setting Spray. This is what the CColor Cosmetic palette smells like. It smells just like this setting spray. So if, at least to me, it may smell different to others, but to me, that's what I smell. I think it smells good. I notice it while I'm applying it, but I no longer smell it. It's not one of those scents that I think it's going to carry throughout the day with you, if that makes sense. So honestly, overall, I think that this is really a great palette. I didn't have a problem with the shimmers that I used. Now, I told you guys this is a first impression. I would be more than happy to come back and do another look with this palette. I mean, you guys just look at it. I really like the CColor Cosmetics side more than the Urban Decay side. I truly do. And I mean, $9.45. That's pretty amazing, guys. And I do want to tell you guys that when you order from CColor Cosmetics, they bubble wrap the bejesus out of these palettes. So I find that it comes shipped very, very well. No worries whatsoever. So like I said, if you are wanting to pick this palette up and get free shipping, if you are wanting to just spend a few dollars, I would definitely recommend the Pore Filler Stick. If you don't mind spending a little bit more, you guys want a great highlighter palette, I would definitely recommend their Strobe palette. But overall, I think that this was absolutely wonderful. In the past, all of the other shadows that I've used from CColor Cosmetics, I'm just reaching for the frost because it's sitting here. The longevity is definitely there. I don't have an issue with creasing. One thing that I really like, and that you guys actually commented on my CColor Cosmetics reference video, which by the way, I'll try and leave that link down below for you guys if you are going to go shopping and pick this one up and you want to see some of their other palettes and you're not sure what they're dupes for. I'll leave that video linked in the description box for you guys to kind of help you guys out. But totally lost my train of thought. Holy guacamole. Oh, I remember now. What we were talking about in that reference video was you guys were talking about if you have mature lids that you notice that their shimmer shades don't accentuate the texture of your lids. Let's be honest, guys, I'm 40 years old. My birthday's coming up June 8th. I'm going to be 41 years old. I do not have an 18-year-old type of lid. So, yeah, I'm definitely very, very mindful of the products that I put on my lids, especially if they are shimmer or metallic. As far as if you guys are talc sensitive, talc is the third ingredient. The first ingredient is mica. So just letting you guys know, I typically try and let you guys know that earlier in the video and I forgot. So anyways, talc is in this product, but as you guys saw the shimmer shade that I used, beautifully, did not wet the brush. I just used my Alamar Cosmetics flat brush, packed it on there. Looked glorious. Very, very happy with it. So let me go ahead and give a huge notification shout out to my notification squad. If you want to be a part of my notification squad, it's super crazy easy. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that notification bell 2 times and then leave me a comment down below your favorite CColor Cosmetic palette. Let me know if you're going to be picking up this palette, or just leave me your favorite emoji, whatever it may be, and you may get a shout out in the next video. So let me go ahead and pull up a video, because actually, you know, I'm going to go to the community tab. I know I've been slacking. I haven't been posting there as often. You guys know I've had a ton of stuff going on, but I do want to give a notification shout out using the last thing I posted in my community tab. And those shout outs do go to Parenting Please Pamper Me with Prosciutto and, oh, I can't see the rest of it. And of course just Anne, and Starla Hamilton, Danielle D, Metrini, Vicky Stengler, and Corey Young. Thank you guys so much for being subscribed to my channel and leaving me a comment over on our community tab. And of course, a huge shout out to my Patreons, Rachel, Maria, and Cami. Thank you guys so much for being part of my Patreon family. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys love Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money videos, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below some palettes that you would like for me to try and find dupes for, because I love to hear from you guys and I love to know what you guys want to see on our channel. Don't forget, did I already say it? Here I think I'm on a roll and I'm doing really good, and then I'm like, girl, you just repeated yourself 10 times. I don't know. Maybe I said it, maybe I didn't. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter, because my brain's apparently the size of a walnut and that is completely clogged up because I'm sick. I do have a second YouTube channel. I've been forgetting to mention that, but it's called Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I talk about keto related stuff, family related things, and of course jump over there, leave me a comment on some of my videos, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see over there. Haley has a few channels over here on YouTube as well. That'll be linked in the description box below. And don't forget, Hotmess 10 does save you 10% at CColorCosmetics.com. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go rest up, make some tea. Actually, I'm lying. I'm gonna film some more videos, but I am gonna make some tea and then eventually rest up. It's a video that never ends. If you're still with me, friends, thank you so much. I love you guys. Anyways, until next time, friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. My voice is shot.